Let's sew a cute heart plush toy. Here's what you need. Some fabric, I'm using this nice bright pink minky, some polyfill, fibre fill, coordinating thread, some embroidery floss for the face, and then just your general sewing supplies like scissors or a rotary cutter, pens, some hand sewing needles, fabric marker, and I find it handy to use a chopstick, and of course a sewing machine. Here are all the pattern pieces cut out. So I've got 2 of the body, and then 2 sets of arms and 2 sets of legs. So we'll transfer the pattern markings to one piece of the body. I've just used a craft knife to cut along the dotted lines and then just folded the paper back. So there I've marked the face and the positions of the arms and legs. We'll embroider the face. I like to use 6 strands of embroidery floss, and I'm not a huge fan of hand embroidery, so it's a very simple design and I don't try to be perfect, and I think it adds to that handmade charm. And I'll tie a knot and then scooch over to the next eye. And another knot and onto the mouth. There we have the embroidered face. Next we'll take our arms and legs and we'll stitch around the outside with a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and we'll leave open the edge that attaches to the body. Next we'll clip the curves, and making sure we clip into that little point and at the foot and next to the wrist. And now we'll turn them right sides out. I like to use a chopstick for this. And I'll just trim off those pointy bits. Next, we will attach our arms and legs to the side that we've embroidered the face using the pattern markings. time we'll stitch them in place with a basting stitch. Now that we have the arms and legs basted into position, next we'll take the back body piece and we'll align that and pin it into place. Making sure the legs are tucked in and the arms. So we'll sew all the way around the edge, but we'll leave a 1 inch gap for turning it right sides out. I like to mark that with a cross with my pins so that I don't forget where to stop. Now that we've sewn around the outside, next we'll clip our curves and also making sure we clip nicely into that point. Now I'll turn it right sides out. I'll use the chopstick to smooth out the corners. Now I'll grab some polyfill and stuff it. And the last step is to stitch that gap closed with a ladder stitch. And I'll tie a knot or two. And then I'll bury the thread end into the body. Just poke the needle out and snip. And there's our finished Heart Plush toy.